In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Zoho CRM subscription. Before we dive into the steps, I want to assure you that this process can be straightforward if you follow along closely. We're going to cover everything you need to know to make this as smooth as possible, so let's get started. First, you need to log into Zoho CRM using your admin account. Make sure you're doing this on Google Chrome, as Chrome tends to be the most compatible browser for Zoho CRM and could minimize any technical hiccups you might encounter. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard to ensure you're comfortable navigating around as we proceed. Next, you'll want to find your way to the Setup page. This is your control center where most of the configuration and account management tasks are handled. It's usually located towards the top right section of your interface, so go ahead and click on it. Once there, look for the subscription section. This is where you'll handle all the billing, payment, and subscription-related actions. When you've reached the subscription area, you'll see an option to cancel your subscription or account. It's usually prominently displayed, given that it's a critical part of managing your account. Click on this option. At this stage, Zoho will guide you through several on-screen prompts to confirm the cancellation of your subscription. These prompts are designed to ensure that you're fully aware of the implications of canceling and to verify that this is indeed what you want to do. Read each prompt carefully and follow the instructions provided. Before you confirm your cancellation, take the time to back up any important data. This step is crucial, as canceling your subscription might result in losing access to your stored data. To back up your data, you might want to export your contacts, leads, or any other essential information into a separate file or an external database. This step ensures your data is safe and accessible should you need to access it after your Zoho CRM account is no longer active. Once you've backed up your data and you're certain you want to proceed, finalize the cancellation by following the final on-screen confirmations. Be sure to review any confirmation messages or emails from Zoho that indicate your cancellation request has been successfully processed. This will give you peace of mind knowing that your subscription has been canceled. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to cancel your Zoho CRM subscription. Remember, taking the time to back up your data can save you potential headaches down the line, and being thorough in this process ensures a clean and uncomplicated cancellation. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your digital tools.